你好, this is Litao Chinese. My name is Zheng Tao. I'm your Chinese teacher. Welcome to the first level of our Chinese character course, Lesson 8. In today's lesson, we are going to learn 2 new compound strokes, begin with heng and 4 new characters. Well, let's get started. This compound stroke is called héngzhétí. It starts with héngzhé, ends with the rising stroke tí. Let's look at a component that has this compound stroke. This component has 2 strokes, 点 and the new compound stroke, héngzhétí. Notice that this is not a character. It can only be one part of characters, and it's often on the left side of a character. If a character has this component, the meaning of the character is probably related to language or speaking, more or less. You can see these 3 characters all have this component on the left side. Let's figure out what meanings they have exactly. This character is 语, 语. It looks quite complex for the first time, but don't worry, let me break down this character into 3 parts. The left part is the component we have just learned, which represents the meaning of language or speaking. The upper right part is the character 五, which means number 5. The lower right part is the character 口, which means mouth. We already learned the 2 characters, 五 and 口, in lesson 6. Now I believe this character doesn't look complex or totally new to you, even though you still don't know its exact meaning. At least you are already familiar with all the parts of this character. I also made up a story to help you more easily remember this character. My story about this character 语 is 5 people open their mouth to speak. 5 people open their mouth to speak. So, as a noun, the character 语 means language. Let's look at some examples with the character 语. 汉语 Chinese language. 日语 Japanese language. 口语 spoken language. 语法 法 means law. 语法 language law. Actually, it means grammar. Here is the sentence. 汉语语法不难. 汉语语法不难. 汉语 Chinese language. 语法 grammar. 不 not. 难 means difficult. So the meaning of this sentence is Chinese grammar is not difficult. Actually, sometimes Chinese grammar is probably the easiest. After learning our elementary Chinese courses, you will agree with me for sure. Here is the correct stroke order of 语. Write the left part first. 点 héngzhétí. Then the upper right part 五 heng, 树 héngzhé, heng. The lower right part 口 树 héngzhé, heng. 9 strokes in total. One more time. 点 héngzhétí, heng, 树 héngzhé, heng, 树 héngzhé, heng. 语 language. This character is. Thanks for watching. Remember to visit litaochinese.com for the full version of this video lecture and the complete learning package.